Hi, in this video, learn how to create new products on your PrestaShop store a lot faster using Store Commander CSV Import features. As opposed to the lengthy and complex process in PrestaShop, Store Commander allows you to run CSV Import a lot easier in 3 steps. Select your file and the necessary options, match the fields with the database fields called the mapping, and import. In this video, we are going to feed 2 birds with 1 seed by creating new products which will be associated to their new category at the very same time. To begin with, make sure your CSV file includes column headers as well as a line per product. In this file, you can add any information you wish to associate, such as reference, prices, images, suppliers, default categories, etc. You will find the list of all available import fields in our CSV Import guide, downloadable on our support platform. Then, in the CSV Import window in Store Commander, load the file. Selecting the file will display the column titles automatically in this column called File Fields in the Mapping panel. You now need to select the corresponding database fields here by double-clicking each line to display the drop-down menu. Some fields require an additional setting, which will be highlighted by the cell color in the Options column. Just like name, here the language is required, and in quantity, the warehouse. Once the mapping is completed, you can name and save this configuration here. You will then be able to reuse it later on simply by selecting it in the drop-down menu here. The mapping configured and saved, let's go back to the main panel to select your options, especially the identification options. Here, we need to select the product identifier used by the import process. When creating products, the identifier will be the product name. Then, the action for the new products will be Create New Product. The action for existing product will be Skip, because we are not updating any products, but we are creating them. In this example, we are also creating the default category the products will be associated to. Therefore, these options need to be ticked. The CSV files also include supplier names which do not exist yet. I am therefore ticking this option for them to be automatically created by the import process. Here we are. The mapping is finished. The options are selected. A summary of your import configuration is displayed in real time in this panel for one last verification. Everything is correct. I'll start the import by hitting this icon. The import is now finished. The results are displayed here. 5 new products. And we can find these products in the newly creating category here. You can find the steps explained in this video in our CSV Import guide, downloadable on our documentation page on support.storecommander.com.